This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Veronica Rosado. Why wait to build when this almost brand new charming townhome is waiting for you in Mirada Crystal Lagoon Community? Built in 2021. This two-story floor plan is great for hosting while still providing comfort and privacy for residents. This model open to a welcome living and dining area, perfect for entertaining. The kitchen comes with stainless steel appliances and soft close cabinets. 2 stories make for even more space in this unique floor plan. 2 bedrooms, each with an enormous walk-in closet and full bathroom, gives the privacy and comfort today's homebuyers are looking for. In addition, the separate laundry room located between the 2 bedrooms adds even more convenience to this already efficient floor plan. Don't miss the opportunity to have a house in this spectacular Crystal Lagoon community. For more information